Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to build 90s in Fortnite. So first what you want to do is have your HUD layout tool good. Make sure the buttons that you're building with is perfect for you. It's good for you so you can build better. Now step 2. First you want to build your ramp, then you build the wall. You build 3 walls, then you look up, you turn 2, and then jump and then press the ramp. You jump and press the ramp. Now you build the wall, turn around, and then the 3rd wall, and then jump, and then press the ramp. And that's just basics. That's basically the basics. So you just keep doing that. Just keep doing that, and then you can speed up the process. If you get the hang of it, you can speed up the process like fast, so you can do 90s way quicker. And when you're in Battle Royale and they try to shoot you, you just build the 90s and they're eventually gonna give up because you just keep 90. So when you have your high ground, then you could easily shoot them. You see me, I'm speeding up the process. I'm building 90s fast because I'm speeding up. I messed up on that one, but you get the hang of it. So yeah, keep doing this. Yeah, you can edit too. You see how high I am? You see how high I am? Now I can look down and then shoot at my opponent. That's why 90s are effective in Fortnite. So remember, wall, 3rd wall, jump and then press the ramp. Jump and press the ramp. I'm practicing in creative. I messed up, but you get the gist of it. Yeah, so now this is the end of the video. I want you to make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends if they don't know how to build 90s, because it's pretty easy. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.